Why are fasting sugars so difficult to control during pregnancy? Have you ever thought, doctor, my meals are perfect, I'm walking every day, but my fasting sugar is still high? If that's you, you're not alone. And in fact, fasting sugars are often the most difficult to control sugars during pregnancy. Now here is why. While you're sleeping, your body doesn't stop working. Your liver continues to release glucose throughout the night to provide energy for both you as well as your growing baby. Normally, insulin keeps this glucose under control, but during pregnancy, things change. Now, the placenta produces hormones such as human placental lactogen, progesterone, cortisol, and growth hormone variants. Now, these hormones help the baby to grow, but they also make your body more resistant to insulin. Now, as your pregnancy progresses, especially in the second and the third trimesters, the insulin resistance increases dramatically. And this means that even if you haven't eaten for 8 to 10 hours, your liver may actually continue to release glucose overnight. And your body's insulin may not be able to suppress its effect. So what is the result? You have high fasting sugars in the morning. Now, there's a common myth that probably the sugar went up because you ate one sweet last night. But the fact is that the fasting glucose is often influenced by the overnight liver glucose production and the pregnancy hormones rather than by a single meal. Now, you may also think if I skip my dinner, my fasting sugar will improve. Now, sometimes the opposite actually happens. Long fasting periods can actually trigger increased insulin glucose from the liver, making this morning glucose levels more worse. So what can actually help? Having a balanced diet, a light post-dinner walk, consistent meal timing, good sleep, and insulin when it is prescribed. Now, here is something very important. A fasting sugar above target is not just one abnormal number. Studies show that fasting glucose levels are very strongly associated with risks such as excessive fetal growth, pregnancy complications, newborn hypoglycemia, and that's why doctors pay so much importance to your fasting values. Now, if your fasting sugar is high, it does not mean you failed. It often means your pregnancy hormones are doing exactly what pregnancy hormones are supposed to do. Sometimes diet and exercise are enough, sometimes insulin is needed, and that's okay. Just remember that needing insulin for fasting sugars is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're protecting your baby. Save this reel if you've ever wondered why your morning sugars are higher than expected.